Looking through the junk drawer, searching somewhere there.
Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. If you are new in my channel, my name is Timmy and you're welcome to the best of family. My new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I really appreciate you all. Thank you for your support. For my supporters, I said you guys got this. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. So in today's video, you guys are going to cook with me. Yeah, I'm going to cook egusi and jollof rice. Yeah, this is turkey for my jollof rice, and this is my abodi and some fish and meat.
Looking through the junk drawer, searching somewhere there's a lighter lurking to light my daughter's 14th birthday candle. I came across a bag of knickknacks, orphaned screws, expired Tic Tacs, and a key from long ago. Is it from my house when I was growing up, and you were always showing up and throwing little pebbles at my window? I would tiptoe down the stairway, past my parents where they were drifting in the land of Nod. And I'd go out, sneaking through the side door. I would plant a little fairy kiss there upon your cherry lips, and I held your freezing hands. Our love was still so very new, but I knew that I would marry you. You've always been the key to open me. Was it our apartment by the bakers when you were pushing papers and I was working second shift? At times you barely saw me, but we always had our coffee on the balcony with a morning kiss. And then at night, I'd stumble in exhausted. I would crawl in bed and snuggle you. We'd mash up like a W with angles all aligned. Even when my back was hurting me, we always fit so perfectly. You've always been the key to open me. Was it our bungalow in Findlay with a picket fence and chimney and a garden full of pretty weeds? You were in your third trimester with cravings that would fester until you filled the need. So it's out the door for pickles and Doritos. Another midnight run for groceries. I fumble for my pants and keys, but I was glad to do it. You were sailing through the troubled seas to find the final puzzle piece. You've always been the key to open me. So many doors I've closed and opened. Some were stuck and some were broken, but this key won't open anything of interest. You've been here from the beginning. Now even in the 7th inning, you're still the only key to open